EOS in a rainbow costume, minion lipstick, a dragon's egg, and a moisturizing burger? Find out how to make unusual lip balms in our new video. Redhead is a selfie professional, but she's missing something special to make her photos really creative. Her friend brings a shining gift just in time. It's a magical dragon's egg. Take lip balm out of an EOS container. Put in blue makeup pigment and melt it in a microwave. Take the container apart and screw the grid onto the cap. Pour the melted EOS inside. Close it and put it into a fridge. Wait for the EOS to harden and use hot glue to shape the container so that it looks like an egg. Hot glue shiny sequins as scales. Cut the sequins before you attach them to the joint of the container and to the bottom. If you direct a flashlight at the egg, it'll shine so brightly. What a great prop for a photo shoot! Redhead becomes the Queen of Dragons, and Emma gets it on camera. But that's not it yet. The main secret is inside the egg. It's holding an actual blue EOS. A dragon makeup artist must have laid this egg. It's raining cats and dogs outside, and staying at home is so boring. What should I do? Redhead always has a present ready for her friends. Do you want a regular lollipop or a lollipop for your lips? Put remains of your favorite lipsticks into a container for storing beads. Put some lipstick into a compartment and melt it with a hairdryer. Fill the rest of the compartments the same way. Paint the container white. Add a red-white lollipop pattern. Coat it with clear nail polish when the paint is dry. Cut a little lip brush holder out of an eraser. Shape it to fit the size and hot glue it to the back side of the container. Decorate the handle of the brush with a bow. Attach a rhinestone to the center of the lollipop. As soon as Redhead opens her tasty palette, her friends get interested in it. What kind of sweet beauty product is this? It's an entire wheel of lipsticks. It would be hard not to mix it up with an actual lollipop. Emma and Jessica want to try this sweet candy on their lips. Emma wants to have a snack, but there is nothing in the kitchen. Only a lonely burger in the fridge. Take a lip balm in a flat container and draw a tomato slice on its surface with a toothpick. Mix some lip balm with red food coloring. Melt it in a microwave. Fill the tomato pattern with it. Melt lip balm with yellow food coloring and apply dots. These will be the tomato seeds. Apply some hot glue around the container so that it looks like a burger patty. Color the jar with acrylic paints to look like a bun. Paint the patty brown. Add a red slice of tomato. Cut a strip of lettuce out of a foam rubber sheet using scrapbooking scissors. Cut triangular pieces of cheese out of a yellow foam rubber sheet. Hot glue the pieces to the container. Add sesame seeds with white acrylic paint. Let's check out the filling. What a strange tomato! It's actually a lip balm. It's disguised as a cheeseburger, but no beauty product can hide from Emma. Redhead comes to the kitchen with a can of Coca Cola. Emma brags about her burger lip balm right away. But Redhead also has something to amaze her friend with. This is Coca Cola for your lips. Take lip balm out of its tube and melt it with Gummy Coca Cola candies. Pour the mixture back into the tube and let it harden in a fridge. Coat the tube with red acrylic paint. Color the top and the bottom gray and paint a ring like the one on a can. Cover the tube with black paint, leaving a red circle. Add a Coca Cola logo with white paint and paint more details like the ones on the original can. Coat the tube with clear acrylic nail polish when the paint is dry. Emma tries applying the Coca Cola lip balm onto her lips. It smells like Coca Cola, and this mini can is so cute! A cheeseburger and a can of soda is more than just a great match for lunch. It's also perfect for your lips. Emma is teaching a makeup class. There are a lot of fine details at play. You have to choose the right brush. Remember which products to use and where to apply them. How not to ruin your face, and how to look better than before doing makeup. Jessica finds an unusual thing in the Guru's makeup bag. What is this rainbow device? It's a glittering and exciting EOS. Take EOS lip balm out of its container. Add pink makeup glitter to some lip balm. Melt it in a microwave. Pour the pink balm into the cap. Then, mix up the EOS with different rainbow colors of makeup glitter. And pour them in a rainbow order. Insert the grid and pour in the last blue and purple balms. Let them harden. Color the container with acrylic paints. Paint a rainbow. Sprinkle it with matching glitter before the paint dries and coat it with clear nail polish. Let's apply some rainbow shine to our lips. Jessica begs Emma to give her this bright lip balm. Okay, fine. This rainbow EOS is an amazing present. The friends decide to try out some art improvisation. We use everything we can. For example, this cute stamp with pink lips. It will make the masterpiece better, but Jessica stops her friend. It's a stamp for your lips. Take the pad out of a stamp. Clean the container with rubbing alcohol. Melt some lip balm in a microwave. Pour it into the container. Even out the layer with a spatula. Scrape out a lip pattern on it using a toothpick. Add pink lipstick to the remains of the lip balm. Melt it and put in edible glitter. Fill the lip pattern with the pink balm. Even it out with a toothpick. Make the same pattern on the cap with acrylic paints. Who would have thought that there's an interesting lip balm hidden in a plain stamp? Let's stamp our lips. Redhead will look picture perfect now. The girls love Minions. These tiny little yellow guys will win everyone's hearts. Emma even has a special lip balm from a Minion collection. Make a yellow lip balm. Coat the tube with yellow acrylic paint. Hot glue on a toy eye. Paint blue overalls. Define the eye with white add a smile. Paint details on the overalls and shoes with black. Paint a strap for goggles and add bangs. Emma shows her little minion to her friends. Come on, look at this handsome fella! At last, the girls see the minion. What a cutie! And it looks exactly like the original. But the main benefit of this minion is the banana balm inside. That's an actual treasure. Each friend wants to have this minion. Emma disappears from the war zone along with the tablet while the fight for the minion continues. Time for an evening movie and ice cream. Redhead is carried away by the plot. But Emma is bored. She isn't interested in movie plots or movie calories. Ice cream doesn't sound good to her. She's already cold anyways. How can I cheer up this drama queen? Redhead has a secret. It's a little ice cream with a lip scrub inside. Mix sugar, honey, olive oil, essential oil, and food coloring. Make lip balms of 3 colors by adding different food colorings. Put the mixtures into a clean jar, layer by layer. Color the container pink and attach a printed ice cream logo and a label. Emma is surprised and looks at the mini ice cream jar. What's this? Redhead explains that this is a sweet lip scrub. Soft lips make her mood better. Plus, the lip scrub is very sweet and delicious. Did you like our unusual lip balm ideas? Then write in the comments which lip balm you liked the most. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss new recipes of beauty products on Troom.